How to add products to your WordPress using WooCommerce. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so very simply, very easily. So let's just go and get started. First, we will need to actually install WooCommerce. So if you have not done that already, you simply just want to go to the plugins section within your WordPress, click on add plugin. And then from here, you simply just want to look up WooCommerce. So once you find it, it's going to be this one right here. You simply just want to click on install now. After that, you simply just want to click on activate. So from here, it's just going to ask you to set up your store. I'm not really going to showcase the setup process of WooCommerce by itself. This is going to be for maybe a different video, but I'm going to show you how to add products in it after you actually finish the initial setup, basically. Okay, so once you finish the installation of WooCommerce, adding products is very simple. You want to basically go to your WordPress admin, and then from here, you simply are going to scroll down and you should be able to find a new section called products. This is where you want to hover over and click on add new product. So you're going to begin with the product name. So you just go and give it a name. Next up, you're going to be adding the description of the product that you're going to be selling. Be sure that it is detailed and it's going to let people know exactly what they will be getting through the description. So really go crazy with the description here. So after you add your rich description, you are going to scroll down and you should be able to find some product data. And here you're just going to select, first of all, whether it's going to be virtual or downloadable. The difference between the two, downloadable means that you are going to add a file that people download once they actually purchase. Virtual just means that it's not going to be shipped. So it could be a course or whatever it may be. But by default, it's going to be treated as a physical product, and you're going to be adding, editing the shipping settings here for it. So anyways, let's just go through the settings here. The general is going to be the price. So this is the regular price. You can just go for 50, for example. It really depends on your currency. By the way, just make sure you read the currency that you have here. It depends on your location. And if you have a sale price, it's going to be obviously more than the regular price. So here we're just going to skip on and go to the inventory. So you have some options here like the SKU, a stock keeping unit. If you wanted to use it, it's optional. Even the barcode here is going to be optional. But what I recommend that you do here, if applicable, is that you want to turn on stock management, track stock quantity for this product, and then you just add how many you have on hand. This means if somebody purchased one piece, it's just going to automatically go to 49 instead of 50. With the shipping, you're just going to add the weight for it, the dimensions, and the shipping class for this. Next up, you have linked products. This is going to be the products that are linked to it, meaning promotions for this product. So you have upsells, which are going to be trying to redirect people to a better product, a better version perhaps, or something that you want people to buy instead of this one. You simply just want to search for a product that you have already, which in this case we don't. So we're just going to skip on to the attributes. Attributes are pretty much variants of the product. So if you have different sizes, you're just going to be adding in here size, and then in here you're just going to do small, medium, large, and you want to separate them with this vertical line as it says. For the advanced, you have some purchase notes and stuff like that. Anyways, we're just going to go to the right side here and we want to see product image. We want to click on set product image and we're just going to select the main one. Click on set product image. If you don't have it here, you simply just want to click on upload files and select files. Once you select the main one, we can go to product gallery and add even more images to them. Next, you have the categories here. If you want to add some categories, you can feel free to create a new category or just set a pre-existing one here. Same goes for tags and brands. And this is pretty much all you need to do. So lastly, you just want to basically save and publish. And yeah, this is pretty much how to add a product to your WordPress website using WooCommerce. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.